Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking class prep English subject, and you're watching Show and Tell English lecture. What you need for today's work: student book, an activity book with a pencil, sharpener, and eraser. Okay, student, all of you, please open student book, page number 73. Objective of the lesson is read and understand our story. Everyone first write date 21st December, comma 2020. In the middle write capital H dot capital T and then write Monday. 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 Day Monday. Now today we have to read the story from picture number 7. So let's start. Mouse deer has an idea. Mouse deer. Mouse deer has. Has an idea. 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 Hey crocodiles, come here. HEY. Hey CROCODILE. Crocodile, come here. COME. Come. HERE. Here. Come here. I have sharp teeth. I have HAVE. Have sharp teeth. Teeth. Are you scared? SCARED. Scared. Scared me, frightened. A party, fantastic. Listen, there is a party. THERES. There is a party. PARTY. Party at the King's. KINGS. King's house. House. Full stop. THERES. There is food. Food for everyone. EVERY. Everyone. Mouse deer told the crocodile that there is a fantastic party for everyone and there is a food in King's house for everyone. Let's go to picture number 9. More crocodiles arrive. MORE. More. CROCODILES. Crocodiles arrive. 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 When crocodiles heard that there is a party in King's house and lot of food is there for everyone, then what happened? More crocodile reached there. The KING. King. The king wants. WANTS. Wants to know. 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 HOW. How many. 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 The king wants to know how many. CROCODILES. Crocodiles there are. Mouse deer said to crocodile that kings want to know that how many crocodiles are there in the river. Now what happened? Look at picture number 10. The CROCODILES. Crocodiles. The crocodiles line up. LINE. Line up. Don't eat me. Okay, we want party food today. Okay, we want PARTY. Party food today. 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 Full stop. Now look at picture number 11. Mouse deer counts. Then what happened? Mouse deer starts counting the crocodile. 1 croc, 2 crocs, 3 crocs, 4 crocs. Like this he start counting. And then what happened? He crossed the river. 99. Look at picture number 12. Mouse deer is smart. Mouse deer is smart. Smart. Mouse deer is smart. 9900. Full stop. Thank you for helping me cross the river. THANK. Thank. YOU. You. Thank you for helping. HELPING. Helping me cross. cross the river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Who said this? Mouse dear said this, that thank you so much. Thank you for helping me to cross the river. Because, oh no, it's a trick. Crocodile said, oh no, it's a trick. Because Mouse deer planned that, Mouse deer told the crocodile that the king arranged the party, a fantastic party in king's house, and there is food for everyone, because he wanted to cross the river, and like this he cannot cross the river because there were lots of crocodile in the river. Please open activity book, page number 60. On the top of the page, write today's date, 21st December 2020. In the middle, write capital H dot capital T, and then write Monday, Monday, Monday. Now what you have to do on this page, let's read. Look, look, and WRITE, write. Look and write, full stop. Complete, COMPLETE, complete. The sentences, 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 and say, say, full stop. In the word bank, there are some words are given. Deer, D-E-R, deer. Park, P-R-K, park. Running, RUNNING, running. Toad, T-O-D, toad. Soccer, SOCCER, soccer. Z-U, zoo. Now there are different pictures given on this page. There is a girl who is running. There is a boy who is playing a soccer game. Now you have to write the spelling under this picture. Running, RUNNING, running. And the boy who's going to play a soccer game, you have to write the spelling of soccer, SOCCER, soccer. Now look at next two pictures. There is a picture of zoo and a park. You have to write spelling of zoo under zoo picture, and then write spelling of park under park picture. Then another group, there is a picture of deer and toad. You have to write spelling of deer under deer picture and spelling of toad under toad picture. And under each group of pictures, there is incomplete sentences given, like I am good at dash. You can write any one of them spelling. You can write I'm good at running. You can write I'm good at soccer. Okay, it's up to you that what you want to write. Look at the next sentence. I want to go to the dash. You can write I want to go to the zoo, or you can write I want to go to the park. Now look at the third sentence. I am taller than a dash. I am taller than a toad. You have to write spelling of toad here. I am taller than a toad. Color for you. There are 3 stars are given. You have to color them. Okay children, time is over. Everyone take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.